Last time you had menu 24. Let's see if there's menu 23 in here and see what that is. Here we go. Menu 23, chicken pesto pasta. This is a good one. Having an Italian dinner on a Wednesday. Got the chicken pesto pasta pouch. Italian breadsticks. Got a story about that. The sleeve for cooking. Patriotic sugar cookies. Orange beverage face powder. I might say that for tomorrow. Cheese spread. That goes good on the chicken pesto. If you get bored with the chicken pesto, you eat that too much, then you add some cheese to it, make it really good. Especially if we got some spoon heater, if we got some of the Tabasco or the red peppers. Beverage bag, almost never use that. Coffee packets, yes. Sugar, and we got the pepper in there. Apple turnover, that's great for breakfast. I'll save that for tomorrow morning. So let's get this heater going. I like to shove the MRE heater on the side of the pouch, not put the pouch in the heater, because it's a little bit nicer. Doesn't make quite as much of a mess. Another trick is don't tear the top off all the way. Leave it on, so if you tear it off, it blows away and you gotta go find it and pick it up, makes a mess. And there's supposed to be a fill line, but like, whatever. And shove the cheese on the other side. Put that on a rock or something. We'll come back to that. So I was at a military vehicle swap meet, and we're also doing cosplay stuff and like G.I. Joe stuff and Metal Gear Solid stuff, and kind of mixing everything up and doing a Vietnam reenactment demonstration kind of thing. I gave out a bunch of MREs because I was in the military at the time and I had extra MREs, so I gave them out to a bunch of the guys so we could like have chow, military chow, to go along with like the whole vibe. And one of the guys got a menu that had the Italian breadsticks in it, and I said, don't eat those. And he's like, why? Why not? Why can't I eat them? Like, I mean, it came in my MRE. I should be able to eat it. You know, it's my food. Like, and I was like, okay, fine. Okay, go ahead and eat them. And he's like, what? I'm like, yeah, go ahead and eat them. I think you should, you know, learn firsthand experience. Well, I told you not to eat them, so go ahead and eat them. And then he's like, no, I don't want to now. Eventually, after most of the meal was gone through, then he started eating some of the Italian breadsticks. Then he learned why I told him not to eat them. So, at your own risk. See dessert first. They used to be patriotic sugar cookies. Now they're just patriotic cookies. Maybe these are a little different. Nah, they're still the same. It's like the top, the Statue of Liberty. It's a hat. There's her whole head. USA. These are all like broken. There you go, I found a USA one that's not broken. Oh, that's a whole Uncle Sam, not just the hat. But it's kind of grumpy. All right, let's flip this. Gotta cook both sides of your food. This is only a problem with my trick of eating the MRE outside of the flameless ration heater. Normally you'd put the pouch inside the bag, but I don't like to do that since it's kind of messy. You know, it's so hot today I could probably just cook this by leaving it outside. Got 92 degrees today. I mean, it was 92 degrees at 7 o'clock at night when I last checked the temperature, so got hotter than 92 today. So it's something nice to be outside. The sun way down on the horizon, a little bit of breeze. I love to be a Marine or in the military, general, but I'm deaf, so womp womp. You can cheat on the hearing test like I did. Still pretty hot. Looks like cat food, doesn't it? Tastes like cat food and pasta. Definitely needs some cheese. MRE cheese. But of course, I just like it a little spicier. So, here's some red pepper, and they give you enough red pepper to kill a small child. So don't use the whole pack unless you've like already blown your taste buds out, because there's a lot in this pack. I'm gonna put like half in there and like save the other half. That's a good chunk of chicken right there. I'm back. Hi, back. I'm Dad. It's pretty good with just the cheese. The pesto chicken pasta with the cheese, really good. But if you get kind of bored with that, throw some red pepper in. I'm still a little hungry. Maybe I'll eat that turnover for dessert. Okay, I'm not eating the Italian breadsticks, but I will eat the apple turnover. If anything, this reminds me like McDonald's apple pie, but not nearly as good. There's like a little bit of apple in there. You're currently a Red Lobster. You doing all you can eat shrimp? Actually, I'm wondering if they have any all you can eat deals going on, because they're losing millions of dollars on that thing. That bean is 3R your boot size, because that's really small. I think the smallest I've seen is maybe it was 3R, but I had a set of like 5 N's I sold. Hi, back. I'm Dad. It shouldn't be this flexible, right? Because like, is that concerning to anybody else? Should apple turnover be as flexible as rubber? At any temperature? Overall, Menu 23 chicken pesto pasta, one of my favorites.